Since the Downtown Denton Ambassador pilot program began in January, you've probably seen these friendly faces 7 days a week to keep downtown clean and welcoming.
Hi, how are y'all doing?
They've been helping local businesses as needed with things like power washing the sidewalk and removing graffiti or stickers to maintain inviting storefronts.
The people that work here are super accepting about us, and they appreciate what we do here.
Well, I'm glad everything's good, man.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.
I think it's been great so far. They're definitely a presence on the square. I feel like it's a lot cleaner, just kind of downtown.
In just a few months, the ambassadors have collected over 11,000 pounds of trash, making a visible difference on the streets.
I love the downtown area, so being able to clean up and keep everything nice and clean honestly makes me feel good when I recommend people to come down here.
These ambassadors are not just focused on the square, they're also impacting surrounding areas.
They've been very friendly. They've even gone out of the way to help us with things, sometimes like removing a heavy piece of like cooking equipment and stuff. Like they've come by and offered their help and like help us out.
And they also lend a helping hand to visitors when needed, like providing directions, escorting with umbrellas when it's raining, or walking them to their cars to make sure they get there safely. These services are just a call or text away through their hotline at 940-354-5767.
I want them to know that we're here to help. We're friendly. We are here as like a welcome committee. You know, when you're somewhere that you're not familiar with, when you see us, I want people to feel like they can come and ask us.
Hi.
As we approach the halfway point of this program, the city wants your input through a community feedback survey that's available on the city's website that could shape the future of these ambassadors in our downtown area. In Denton, I'm Kimberly Barroteran.